If you want your website visitors to know exactly when your business is open, adding business hours to your WordPress site is a simple and effective way to improve clarity and trust. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can set up your hours quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the WordPress website. At the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click on it and you'll be given the option to continue with Google. Choosing this option is a convenient way to sign in securely using your Google account. Once you click Continue with Google, select the correct account from the list. Make sure you choose the account connected to your website so you're editing the right site. After logging in, look for the Quick Links section and select Edit Site. This will open the WordPress editor where you can make updates to your website. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them listed here. Click on the site you want to update and it will load in an editable view inside the WordPress editor. With your website open, make your way to the top left corner of the screen where you'll notice a plus icon. This icon allows you to add new elements to your site. Click on it and a search bar will appear. In the search field, type business hours. The search results will update and show you the business hours block, which is specifically designed to display your operating times in a clean, readable format. Click the business hours block to add it to your page. Once added, you'll see default hours appear, and now you can customize them. Edit each day to reflect your actual business schedule. Whether you operate full-time, part-time, or have unique weekend hours, this block allows you to display everything clearly so customers always know when you're available and what to expect. When you're done editing, look toward the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This final step makes sure all your changes are applied to your live website. Once saved, your updated business hours will be visible to visitors, helping them reach you at the right times and reducing any confusion about your availability. And that's all it takes to add business hours to your WordPress website. With just a few clicks, you've improved your site's clarity and provided helpful information to your customers. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other WordPress tools to continue enhancing your website's professionalism, convenience, and overall user experience.